Hello Anchor coin holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. I have not a good day, my friends. You know what? Why? Because today the cryptocurrencies crash. Oh my goodness. The price of Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, which and Shiba, these all crypto, the fastest moving cryptocurrencies price is negative. So that is why my day is not good, my friends. Anyways, let's see. Furthermore, my friends, if you look the Anchor coin price in this price of the Anchor coin, so the Anchor coin holders are also in the lows because the price is very badly falls down in the previous time. Now the currently changes, the latest changes of the Anchor coin is going positive 7.21%, but the previous changes is absolutely very bad, my friends. And my friends, the latest price of this Anchor coin is 0.057092 USD dollar. That is the latest price. And furthermore, if you look the price changes of the Anchor coin, so the last 1 week price change is negative, my friends. Let me show you the price chart of the Anchor coin. Wow, my friends, that's why my day is not good, because the price of Anchor coin is very badly, my friends. That's a quick loss. You can see, my friends, just look on the price chart. That's a quick loss of the Anchor coin, and I'm very shocked to see this kind of changes occurs in the Anchor coin. So my friends, the Anchor coin holders are and the loss from the previous last 1 week. So how you can save yourself from loss, my friends? I think that holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. If you hold, maybe there is a possibility to you save yourself from loss. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS station for more news, and please hold, be safe from loss. If you hold, you are safe, but if you otherwise if you decide to sell, so you're completely in the loss. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Stake channel for more news and updates videos.